Welcome back, guys. So today we decided to order a Bokksu surprise. We've heard about this online and we're kind of curious. We lived in Japan for a couple of years, so we're curious if this was going to be really representative of Japanese culture or kind of like an out-of-the-box kind of subscription where it just gets you random stuff from Japan that they think is good. So this is a blind opening. We have not opened this yet, so this is the first package that they give. So modern snacks, okay. So it seems like it's a little pamphlet of stuff, probably just describing what's in here, parts of the country. I hope they have a lot of Hokkaido stuff, and Okinawa stuff. That's good stuff. Those are some interesting parts of Japan. It's a pretty interesting little booklet they have here. Looks like it covers a lot of the snacks and who is making it and the founders of it. A little thank you note from them. Let's see what we have here. Nice little bread. Some tea. Oh, what's this? Oh, a strawberry. Okay, looks like maybe chocolate, I would bet. 2 of those. Yokohama. Oh, that's basically a nice little area close to nail base. Sandwiches. Those aren't my favorite. Oh, a little chocolate. Anpan. I would say this is more like a little brownie compared to anpan, but anpan is more like Japanese kid snack bread. Oh, these are pretty good. I like these little sesame seed sweets over here. So, yeah, if you can find these, I recommend those. Some seaweed snacks. So it's not just sugary snacks, but some also interesting salty ones too. Looks like a senbei. Senbei. Yeah, so that's actually pretty nice. Some biscuits too. Oh, yuzu candy. So I know someone who really likes yuzu. I don't quite know what that is.
No.
Singwon or something.
Tomato.
Oh, okay. Probably it's savory snacks and Kyoto, but don't really know what that is, but a Kyoto thing. Probably some chocolate stuff. Oh, these guys. Matcha cake. Some potato chips.
I think it's from Akita Prefecture.
And last but not least, like a snack kit. We read through a little bit of the pamphlet they gave it, and it actually tells you which prefecture the snacks come from. So you got Hokkaido, Ishikawa, Nagano, Kyoto, Tottori. I think that's a desert down there. Hiroshima, Kagamashi, Nara, Osaka, Kanagawa, Chiba, Saitama, Ibaraki, and Okinawa. So the little green guys come from Okinawa. So that's interesting. I like Okinawa and Hokkaido. So I'm glad that this is like a really good sampling across all of Japan. So I think they hit a lot of the prefectures. But I'm shocked in Chiba they didn't give a peanut-based one because Chiba is known for peanuts. And that's it. So some of the stuff looks pretty decent in here. I was a little bit more surprised about how much they came in here and the quality and the quantity. So I'm looking forward to our next box next month. So thank you for joining us.